Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Oh yes, you again. Today we're going to be opening up our Allure beauty box for December 2019. This is a $15 a month subscription. You get around 6-ish beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup samples, sometimes full-size products in here. They're normally higher end products, so I really enjoy this box for that reason. You get a lot of like bougie sort of stuff in here for fairly cheap, I'd say, in the beauty box world. As always, if I don't know something's cruelty free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there, as well as breaking down the value of the box, finding out whether we're getting a good deal or not. This month, the box came like, I'm not sure if you can tell, like see how this side's low and this side's like high? Like it's, something's in here that's big that's preventing this from closing all the way, so I'm sort of curious to see what's in here. Okay, let's just go ahead and open it up. Okay, so when you open it up, it's going to have this little book right here. It's going to have the full-size values of everything that we're getting in here, as well as a little blurb about them and why a particular editor from Allure chose the item for this box. So yeah, let's just go ahead and see. Alright, so here's the thing that's preventing it from closing all the way. This is from Christophe Robin, and I feel like I've gotten this brand before and it's not cruelty-free. This is a cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. So there it is right there. It does smell really nice. It smells like really clean. I would definitely enjoy using this, but I feel like I'm fairly certain this is not cruelty free. So I'll probably just be giving this to a friend who will enjoy it more than me. Let's get a full size value on that, $53. So wow. That's expensive. Okay, so there's that. Let's see, the next thing I'm pulling out is from Anastasia, Beverly Hills, which I'm pretty sure that's who that is on the front of this right there. This is the liquid lipstick in the shade Bohemian. So there's the packaging. That's the color right there. Let's just go ahead and see. Alright, so I thought maybe I had tried a liquid lip from her, but I don't think I have. So I'll go ahead and give this a swatch. I do like the color. Ooh, it's very dark. I definitely like that color. I enjoy a dark, like wine sort of color lip. So yeah, let's see how that dries down, but very pretty. It definitely looks a little bit darker in real life than it is in the tube. The full size value of that is 20, so about mid-range for a liquid lip. Okay, so it's supposed to be a powdery matte, so we'll give it some time to dry and see what that looks like. Alright, the next thing I have is, oh, I should mention too that Anastasia Beverly Hills is cruelty free. Alright, the next thing I have is from First Aid Beauty, which is cruelty free. This is the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. I mean, it's just a moisturizer, there's not a ton to say. I do like a pump on it, I think that's nice. We'll go ahead and see how it feels. Oh, here's the packaging in case you are interested in that. And then there is, it feels like a little bit more watery, so it's not going to be like a super thick cream on your face, but it definitely feels nice. It has no scent, which I enjoy. I like these like lighter feeling ones more for summer than winter. I have dry skin, so I tend to need a more thicker cream, especially in the winter, so I definitely will use that in the summer. It feels really nice. Again, no scent. I don't know why I keep sniffing my hand. And that's a fairly decent, that might even be full size, I'm not sure. Let's see, the value on that is $24 for a full size. And I think this might be full size, so yeah, really cool to get that in here. Okay, let's see. Looks like I have two more things in here. Two, I think? Yes. So the next one is the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, which I actually have tried before. It's just, you know, a brow gel. There's not anything super special about it. It's just a brow gel. I don't know. I don't know how to make it super special, but I'll go ahead and give it a try, I guess. So yeah, just a brow gel. I tend to use, I didn't use one today, but I do like using a brow gel every now and again. It definitely helps keep your brow in place, so that's good. I don't think that is full-sized, but we can get a value on the full size. The full size is $22. So again, not something I would pay for a brow gel. I feel like you can get an L for any drugstore brand for much, much cheaper, and they pretty much do the same thing. So I don't think I would pay that for this personally. All right, looks like I have one last thing in here. And it's wrapped in styrofoam. Okay, so this is also from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is almost everything in here minus two things. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, so that's really nice. This is going to be a high value box. Anyways, this is the Moonchild Glow Kit. I have the Allure Glow Kit, and I actually don't really like it. It's like super glittery. I don't know if you can tell that, but it's like, it's a highlighting palette, but it's like very glitter based. And I'm just a little too old for that. So let's see what this one looks like. Maybe it'll be a little bit different. This looks very similar, actually. Let me grab that again. So the bottom one is the one I just got, and this is the Aurora one up top. It definitely seems more subtle and more wearable-ish. I'll go ahead and give it a swatch. Still has that glitter in here, and I'm never gonna wear a purple highlighter. That looks white on camera, but it's purple. Let's go ahead and do this green one. Yee! Let's do the one I might wear, this pink heart one. They're all like very duochrome is maybe the word. And it's very like icy. So if you like an icy highlight, you might like this, but let's go ahead and get a swatch on these. So you can see, oh, they're actually pretty subtle, but kind of crazy. Even the white one looks purple, like there on the bottom. It looks white on camera, but I swear it looks purple in real life. I like this one right here, this like pinkish one, the most. But I don't know if I'm gonna wear any of these. I don't know. I'll have to play around with them on my face to see how they feel on my face. I'll show you that liquid lip. So it dried down matte. Definitely has transfer, so which I don't mind because usually when it has transfer, it means it's a little more comfortable on the lips. So yeah, not mad about that at all. And that's everything I got in this box. I think it was a very good box for Allure. Everything is high end as usual, and we got a lot of makeup in here, a lot of like makeup products. All right, let me get a value on that palette. I feel like they're like 50 bucks if I remember correctly. 40. So $40 for that, which I think is fair for a 6-pan face highlighter. I don't think that's too overpriced at all. So what did you guys think though? Overall, I liked this box. It was very makeup heavy, which I appreciate. I love the liquid lip. I think that's definitely my favorite thing. The brow gel I would definitely use. The highlighter palette I have to play around with. Excited to get this, you know. And then I have just one thing that's not cruelty free. So overall, it's a really good box for me. But yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. It'd mean so much to me. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more sleepy dogs back there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.